Hello everybody, welcome to Hilltop Garage. So I know today everyone's wanting to watch that video that I'm supposed to have made up with the surprise that y'all didn't get to see in the last video because I blurred it out. This way y'all wouldn't see it. And I know y'all expect that to be in this video. Well, it's not going to be because we ended up using it before I actually got to shoot the video for it. Well, at least a video that I'd like to have shot for it. So it's kind of dirty right now. I'm not going to be able to show it to y'all. But I am going to get it cleaned up, and I should show it to you next week. And I do apologize for not having a video last week. I was going to do the surprise, but as I said, it got dirty, and it had been raining a bunch. Actually, it was raining some today. So we decided we're going to work in the garage some. And my camera lens is dirty. So let me clean up my camera lens, and I'll show you what we're going to do today. Alright? Let's get to it. Alright, so today, I just want to show you something real quick. As you notice, I did put the little cage system up here. My mom brought this home. I'm trying to think of the words. And what I did is I zip tied it to the wall here and here. And down there it's fine. It's just going to rest up against there. Or at least it should. So I have to scoot it back real quick. It did slide out. But anyway, and it's this three-piece section that kind of folds in and out. Now if I want to, I can take this and swing it back to close all this in. Or just not completely straight, but turn it so that I have to go around and in. But anyway, the real neat thing about this whole feature is this right here. You do this, and actually, you do this and it turns on the light. So as you see, push it, you see it in there. Now that was actually just something that worked out. I'd been bending up some metal with my Harbor Freight metal bender, which I have a video coming out on soon. Anyway. So, just dumb luck I had that. I did have to do a little bit of manual bending without the bender. Well, actually, it's all manual. But I had to do a little bit of bending without the bender. But anyway, that's not the thing about today. Today, we're going to be cleaning off these shelves. And what I would like to do is possibly... We're not going to be adding another shelf, as much as I would love to do that. But I have a shelving system right here. Sort of. It's going to take a little bit of work to get to the shelving that I'd like to have. But anyway... The main thing we're going to do today is I'm going to take all the stuff off the shelves, like the microwave and stuff, and I'm hoping that stuff can just go off of this shelving system and get it gone, and then put a bunch of different stuff on the shelves that will get out of my way, like the paint, do that a little bit nicer, organized. I might move the paint off the shelves, period, and put them down here, make a little rack down here for it, just to get them organized a lot neater. I do have this tote here, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I might make something with that to do some storage. But I'll try and get the shop all cleaned up. Alright, so we have a pile of stuff here. This is just a bunch of different cans. These ones up front are mainly like lubrication. This one's an old fire extinguisher. Probably doesn't work, but I'll go ahead and keep it anyway. All this stuff back here is paints. Most of those are either quarter away or half, but there are some that are full. Now, these are what the shelves look like now that they've been cleaned. So, we're going to start by all the lubrication is going to go either the top or middle or bottom. Paint, same thing. I think the paint will put up top, I think. I have to see, but I would like to put the lubrication stuff on the bottom, or no, the middle, and then I'll leave the bottom shelf empty for some other stuff like screws, nails, stuff like that. I mean, I had this little organizer thing, but it'd be kind of nice to be able to have boxes of screws and stuff, because I use that more than I do lubrication stuff. And lubrication stuff, I mean, I used a lot of it, but I usually keep a can down here, which I had to put on the shelf now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all that done, and I'll see you when that's done. And it's raining out again, so much for going out. But at least I'm cleaning up the garage, which kind of works out good. And I might be setting up something else. We'll have to see. So yeah, I'll hop to it. Alright, buddy, so for starters, I got this cleaned up over here. I got a workbench back, which is nice. I am going to get rid of this body later and move it somewhere else. I might cover it up or something. But I do want to get it out of the shop and out of the way. So, I did get this stuff turned around and I swept out the garage floor, which that's been killing me. It's been dirty for a while. But, move this stuff around, put the tote here. I was going to put a little shelf thing there, but it didn't work out. Which actually worked out for the best. I put the cabinet here, the fan here, and put this little thing here. Which still enables you to get into the here, because back in there we keep the bin where we keep potatoes. Toolbox is still here. Took the tire out. and put it over here. I know this stuff's kind of piled up a little bit, and I did move the pumps right to here, except for the one I put on my shelf, because we got that one wired over. And I did get the snow blade and stuff out of the way, which I think I already had that out of the way before I started the video. I might not have. But if I did have it in here, that's outside now, and I'm probably going to move it somewhere else. But anyway, so we have gotten ourselves a little bit cleaner in here in the shop, everyone, which is nice. Being honest with you, I didn't think we were going to get this far today, but turns out we did. I still have plenty of daytime left to get some other stuff cleaned up. So I am going to figure out what I want to do. And another thing, show you the shelving system. I put the spare starter and the old solenoid up here. I put the screws up here, the extra part for the metal bender, and all the lubrication stuff up here. All the paints up here. And I got the paints down here and the cleaning solution, which I had to get another one of these. It's a little bit different. And I have my airbrush set up back again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. And I will see you on the next episode of Hilltop Garage. I now have 17 subscribers. Thank you, all 17, for subscribing. I fully appreciate all of that. I love the fact that I have 17. And hopefully, I'm going to be seeing 18, 19, maybe even 20. And I'd love to see 30 by the end of this year, if not more. So, I'm going to keep making content, keep posting, and I'll see you on the next episode.